everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of Pixi haircut, short hair with beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish hairstyling, and so beautiful over collection in Pixi in short hair with beautiful hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. Hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in Pixi. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut, and so stylish ideas of choppy haircut, notching haircut. Some ideas with bang, chin length bang, nose length bang. There is so stylish collection of hair dye. Popular and trendy hair dye, blonde color, and burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, ash color, black color. Beautiful collection of funky color. Some ideas, highlights in blonde color, in ash blonde color, in funky color, and in burgundy color with dark base color. So stylish ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling, some ideas wave and curl naturally, and some collection may curl with curler. Spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. So beautiful collection of messy hairstyle. End of 2023 of short hair messy hairstyle and many much more latest ideas. Messy hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I'll wait. And thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care yourself and take care your ones and those around you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.